Okay, so this is just a quick video for YouTube today. I'm off my work. It's Monday. It's raining again in Scotland. Always seems to rain when I'm off. Never snow. I want snow so I can go snowboarding. That'll be the next video. So today, my day off. I have a doctor's appointment this afternoon, but this morning, Saskia is going to get a wash. She's going to get brushed. She's going to get washed. She's got all her undercoat needs to come out. She needs her nails clipped, and she needs a good brush. So yeah, we're off to a place not far from mine. Nikki's the dog lady. She works in two places. I'll link her Instagram down below, as well as mine. And I done a photo shoot for her a couple of months ago. She has a horse. I'd like to say 2 dogs, but sometimes she has 22 dogs because she adopts them. That's the kind of person she is. So yeah, that's where she's going to get a good wash. Look at her wee face. Saskia, you want to get washed and smell nice? Yeah? Okay, see you soon. Right, Nikki's running 5 minutes late, which isn't a big deal, it's only 5 minutes. So I'll take this opportunity to talk about Saskia. It's a good idea. Right, so what breed is she? Here's Nikki coming now. Saskia is a mix between a Malamute and a Korean Jindo. But I always just put Korean Jindo in the description because she resembles the Jindo side more than she does the Malamute. She's pure white. Her attitude is pure Jindo attitude. So yeah, that's what I went with. Right, that's Saskia in, just about to get started. She is leaving me. She goes absolutely mental. You can probably hear her barking away. I'm in my car and she's over there, inside. Wow. So I'll pick her up in a couple of hours and she'll be nice and fresh. Shush! She'll be really tired because she was on her feet for the last 2.5 hours. Eh? What's up? You good? What's up? She'll probably sleep all afternoon now. Won't you? Look, still hair coming out of her, but that's what happens. Innit? Yeah. Oh well. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Paw. Good girl. Back up. Back up. Good girl. Sit. Stay. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Nice. Nice. Good girl. Saskia. That feel better? Yeah?